guys! Ayan, gumawa ako ng salad. Combination of cucumber and then apple, red apple, and then lettuce. Ayan, lalagyan ko ng mayonnaise. Ayan guys. Imeriendahin ko lang. Tapos, lalagyan ko rin ng McCormick mustard. Very healthy to guys. Kailangan iwasan ko muna ng mga matatamis.